What's up, guys? We got Roman at the shop today. Finally came over to get some more done on his car, the Grinch. Right now we're working on getting his up pipe done. Sean was helping him earlier and he got some things welded. He added a tip right there, which is looking sweet, but it's not quite done yet. To get it completely fitted, we have one last pie cut we need to get done back there. We were just double checking fitment, and that's where it's gonna sit. So we're gonna go ahead and pull that guy off and get it fully welded up. You also need to get the wastegate dump made. Thinking of putting that guy right there. Yeah, that looks sick. But yeah, we're just getting some stuff knocked out on his car real quick and get her going. You got it started already, right?
No, it's not started yet.
No?
No.
Those colors came out crazy. That looks sick.
Yeah. Blue
like that.
And the purple. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it looks dope. That HTP welder's working great. Hell yeah.
That's it.
That looks good.
Clearance back here.
Yeah. Doesn't hit the manifold. Comes close, but it's not touching.
Hybrid, bro.
Hybrid.
Hybrid right now.
Make sure that hybrid has brakes.
Make sure I don't.
No? There's no brakes on it?
No e-brake?
No e-brake, nothing.
Oh shit.
This guy wants to get his car started and doesn't have any brakes.
Hey bro, you don't need brakes. You just need to go fast. You don't need to stop.
Oh man. You're gonna pull a Ricky?
It looks so good outside.
It really does look good.
Looks like you drove it here.
I know.
Man. She'll be running soon.
Yep.
Got the up pipe done. Now you just got to do the wastegate dump. But I have to do that another day because Roman has a hockey game to go watch.
Hockey first.
Yeah. Playoff game, baby. Let's go.
No, I don't. This was in
He's
here.
gonna hold like 6 filler rods.
This was
Oh, there you go. That's how it's supposed to go.
Yeah.
You had it backwards. That's why.
Yeah.
You need another one for that side, though.
There is, right there.
Oh, okay. You need those welded on.
Yeah. I need this one put on and that one put on right there.
Can do that.
Or actually,
It goes the other way.
it goes the other way. It goes like this.
Oh, there you go. All right, Pedro.
There you go. There you go. That's what it is.
Oh, she got power now.
Yeah.
Yeah, she did.
At least my roof ain't caved in.
Oh, you talking about me?
Oh.
I got a windshield.
Oh.
Fire.
There it goes. Better give it some gas. Make sure it's not in gear.
It don't have no gas. It don't have a gas tank.
You don't have a what?
They don't. There's no gas tank.
You're such a liar.
It's got a gas tank. Oh, she wanted there. She was hungry. She was thirsty.
That thing hasn't been started in a minute.
No.
There it goes.
Ooh.
Give some gas. It's not a carburetor.
How many rejet it? Hey, bro, you ain't got no intake air temp sensor on it.
It ain't gonna start.
Yes, but this one.
No map. Someone stole that. Yeah.
Stand still. You forgot to put it on. Stop playing.
How did I forget to put it on? That's not the motor cage. It was sitting at a junkyard. So imagine.
I could have been driving this to work every day. I'm gonna run that.
Hey man, do a burnout. I bet you used to do a burnout.
Careful, man.
You want me to blow it before you build it? That's what it is.
I mean, we only drove it this far. You're good.
How'd it feel?
He's over here doing burnouts and then
I feel. I don't feel like shit.
Oh no. You can mess with the tune a little bit. We'll get it going.
Shut your mouth.
we got the DC Sport headers. We got the Hasport mounts. What do we got? We got the blue
Those are
aftermarket
NGKs,
wires.
baby.
Oh, they didn't want to tell them that secret.
Yeah, you over
What
here
else we
making
got?
fun of me?
No, I'm letting them know what we got in here, though.
Intake 6. Is that cold air or is that?
GSR.
Well, guys, Roman just got out of here, but we're getting ready to pull the motor out of Pedro's Civic. He came down today to help us out with the bathroom some more, and it's about time we yank the motor out of his car because he's been wanting to build this thing for a while now. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this motor out. This is a GSR, just all stock, and we're gonna be building this motor for him and helping him do the turbo kit on this thing. And he's actually gonna take the car once we pull the motor and get it painted and make it look pretty. and just get his car together. So
That's what I'm gonna try to do.
yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and dive right into it, see how fast we can get this thing out of there, and yeah, get this motor yanked, get the ball rolling on Pedro's build. Got her out.
Holy shit. That was quick.
Yeah, 30 minutes out. It's the first time I've ever pulled a motor through the bottom of a car.
Oh yeah.
It's nice having the lift. I've always pulled them up and over, except for my MR2 where you have to go out the bottom. But yeah, the lift makes it easy.
Super easy.
Always working on the floor.
Yep.
Yeah.
The lift is nice. Well, we just got Pedro's motor pulled out of his car. And now the next step is to start getting this thing together. You got to get her painted, get it back to us, and we'll get that motor together for you.
Yeah.
Start getting a turbo kit together. You gonna be ready for that? Are you ready to take this thing down the strip?
He's so excited right now. He can't even hold.
He's like, they're finally working on it.
I've been wanting to get this thing done.
Well, it's happening.
Taking too long.
We got the motor out for you, so take it whenever and get it painted.
Oh, you're gonna have
Make
to,
it look nice.
You're gonna have to toke it too.
Tow it?
Oh, bring it over to your place for you? Yeah, we can do that. But motor's out. And then you want to show what we got going on in the bathroom so far? Since we've been
Shit,
waiting
not
on that.
Too much. I mean, we just.
I mean, you got a little bit done.
I just started grouting. I'm waiting for the grout to like settle up so I could wipe it down, but all the grout's in.
But yeah, bathroom still needs some work. It's not completely done. We kind of stopped working on it once we got the toilet working.
Right.
We've been doing so much other things, but
So much other stuff.
and Pedro's been busy with his life.
Yeah.
But it's getting done. Summer's starting to come up and nice weather, so we need to get this place up and going. It was driving.
That was the first time you
That
drove
was the
it.
first
And
time
you did
I
a
drove it.
burnout in
I
it.
drove it for 5 seconds. We'll see.
Maybe you can feel the difference when we do the motor.
I had 3 years. 3 years I drove it for 5 seconds. Sounds good, huh?
I can't wait to see your face in the camera when you're. Everybody's seen my shift face. I want to see your shift face.
Oh, when he's driving down the track?
He shifted like, oh.
He's gonna be all like leaned way back in the chair.
Oh shit. Well, he can't 'cause he can't.
It's gonna be sweet. Give us something to do over the summer.
Yeah.
Get all the projects we can.
Get it going and then we could all ride out together.
Absolutely.
Even Shane, when he's working on his.
Yeah, Shane's been working on his car all day. He's chilling now. Look how dirty he is.
Oh, you were sanding the engine bay?
Yep.
Oh, I gotta go check that out.
Shane CRX is coming along.
Oh yeah.
He's been working hard on this engine bay.
So many hours.
So much sanding.
All the sanding. I did a 10-minute video on sanding straight.
And he's never done it before. He's just going at it.
Never done any body work or any of it. I didn't weld until I started welding in this bay.
Yeah, the first time he's ever touched a MIG welder was on his own car.
Yup.
Now they can see it on his channel.
Yeah, you can check it out. See what he built Shane.
You can see the 10 minutes of
The
sanding.
sanding.
I'm standing, huh? I'm goofy, I'll beat your ass.
It doesn't meet Pedro spec.
It's fixable still.
Hey, it looks way better than it did.
No, it did, bro. I seen
Honestly, it looks better than when he started.
You are doing, I mean.
He's doing
for
pretty
the
good
first
for
time,
never-
you're doing pretty good, yeah.
Not knowing how to do it.
Gave up a long time ago.
Oh, they would have.
I know I would have.
And then
I couldn't give up. I mean, people were watching me.
Well, guys, that is going to be it for today. Got Pedro's motor out, so there will be more to come on his car in the future, and I'm really excited to see Pedro go down the strip one day in that thing. That's gonna be so fun. But yeah, a lot more to do on that. But before we end this video off, we do wanna mention that we do have some merch that is going to be going on the website. You guys have been asking about it, and we finally got some more to throw on the website. We got these 2 shirts right here. They say it'll be fine on the back, and yeah, you can show that. We did this a long time ago. I know you guys have commented that another YouTube channel does use this slogan, and this is gonna be our only batch of those for right now, but we do have some. We're gonna go ahead and throw those on the website. And then we also got these beanies right here, just blue and red, and then we got these 4 styles of hats. So all this will be on the website if you guys want to grab some merch, help us out.
Yeah, it's on it right now, so.
Yeah, go down, links in the description, and grab some stuff. So it's gonna be it for this video, guys, and thanks for watching.